We have today a new airplane to me, the Cessna 182, the EZ Global Skyline. Shaun had this plane, I guess, for years. It was given to him by someone who built it and did a review on it. So I'm guessing it only has a few flights on it. I spent all day yesterday getting it ready. The carburetor was totally stuck. Had to take the carburetor apart to clean it, get it to work. It has a Magnum XLS 61 on it. Nice looking airplane. But today will be my maiden flight for it. It wasn't even dirty. I'm thinking one flight at the most, maybe a couple. I mean, what that guy did.
Yeah.
Well, here we go. Hey, one flight?
Fly that Learjet or that F-14.
The track's pretty straight. I don't want to get the ruts. Whoa, hard left.
Rudder under trim?
I don't like the way the rudder is. Whoa, what the fuck? Yeah, the rudder seems sluggish, so I might want to check the rod.
See if it's pulling on something or binding somewhere.
It just seemed weak.
Looks great in there.
Yeah, that rudder is, I don't like. Flies good though.
Yeah, it does.
I have it all the way down to my min throws, and that seems to do better for ailerons.
Yeah, I was gonna say it looked a little twitchy on aileron.
Elevator is halfway from my setup. put elevator, actually elevator was at 100, now it's mid. All right, let me try flaps. Full flaps.
Looks like it slowed it down a lot. That's what the guy said in the first sales thread, was he was like, it makes really gentle approaches.
All right, let's do a landing. Good strong motor.
Yeah, it is.
Okay, full flaps. Bumps, bumps, bumps. Probably broke a prop. Probably could have slowed it down a little bit more.
Yeah, I think you had a lot there to. I think the wheel pans need to come off.
Yeah, I don't like those. Actually, prop didn't break. Real good.
They turned the nose gears a bit, but.
Oh, yeah. See how kind of this.
Yeah, it doesn't quite center. You put a stronger servo in there or something.
Yeah. If the servo's on, let me turn it off. After I got it home, I took it apart to see what the problem was with the steering. When it hit the rut, it must have caused the pin and this clevis that goes into the servo arm. It broke.